Ella Pangilinan at kanyang fiancé na si Enrique Miranda ay paboritong pinapanood sa Netflix ang Can't Buy Me Love. Ayon sa kapatid ni Donnie na si Ella Pangilinan, I really like the character of my brother, Donnie, si Bingo. Kasi madiskarte sa buhay and masipag for his family and mabait. And also the people around him, his family, makwela kahit hirap sa buhay, masaya at talagang tulungan sila. And also Belle, si Caroline, I really like her kasi palaban.